Practice. So your homework is to come up with a product from your imagination or choose an industry you really like and look for the leaders in it. After that, study that work of them. What did they do right? What did they do wrong? What are people complaining about? How can I come up with a better product from which people wouldn't complain from this particular issue, etc. For example, let's imagine that we want to create a better graphic design app. If you do some research, you'll find Adobe among leaders in that industry, I guess. I'm not an expert of this, so I may say something which is completely not true, but it's just for the sake of giving you an example. So, yeah, you might find people complaining about how hard these apps are to use and how complex their features are. So, we will look for ways to come up with an app as well performing as Adobe's one, but which is more user or beginner friendly with a much more simplified structure. Or you may consider avoid it altogether and simply come up with a simplified guide or course to use that app, which you may upload on Udemy. And that would be very small investment from you, but you would be giving a lot of value to your students and get paid for it. So yes, that's your homework before we jump into the next section.